Hello. Transportation is an important part of our lives. With the advent in technology, cab, bus, and train services are becoming popular worldwide. Transportation market size is valued at USD 206.7 billion in 2021 and is expected to expand at the rate of 5.9 CAGR from 2022 to 2028. Even though there have been lots of public transportation services, but it fails to cater the need of the specially abled people. There are cab services like SIPA, moving cabs and Eximov, but they are constrained to few local places. Same thing goes for public bus service and train services. On a greater note, urban and interurban transport system facilities remains inaccessible to persons with disability constraints. In order to solve this problem, I, Shofik Anshabanik, am going to present this project commute.ly. It is a design concept for sackhacks.io. Basically, I told the first part, so let's skip to the statistics. Approximately 15% of the world population lives with some form of disability, and by 2030, more than 46% over the age of 60 will be classified as disabled. This project revolves around commute. Commute for everyone. The word commute means daily transportation or daily traveling. So, this application, this commute.ly, is a concept to try to solve the problem of public transportation, be it cab service, be it bus service, be it a train service. While while designing the interface, for now I designed the Android interface, I kept in mind the digital constraints of making this application user friendly. Also, the feature that the stations and stops must be able to locate on a map with an actual address. It will help specially abled people to keep a track of their bus or the transport which they want to avail at their own comfort. While creating this design, the features of these applications include cab, bus and train. All possible means of daily commute can be found within this only one single application, commute.ly. Specially abled people can keep a track whether the arriving bus or train has facilities for specially abled or not. And not only just for the specialties, they can keep a track when the bus will be coming, when it will depart. I tried to keep the UI of this application simple for fast navigation and easy accessibility. And I also added the features like gift cards and e-wallet systems. So let's jump to the designings. These are the screens that I have designed, and this is the prototype. This is the prototype, commute.ly. Here it is the SCAP screen. You can take a bus, you can take a train. In train, you can search whether you want specially abled feature trains or not. You can keep a track of the time, you can check the next station, and also for the user, gifting someone wallet. That's it. The statistics or the data which I have told in this video, I will give the link below. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.